Well, hey guys, aren't you guys pretty much lucky today to get 2 videos in one day? So, I was just perusing through the Webernet. Let me get comfortable in my bed real quick. Anyhow, so I'm going to reboot this to show you guys what ROM this is. It is based off of 4.3.1 Jelly Bean. So I'm going to have it reboot and it will reveal itself to you as to what ROM this is. It is a nightly, so this is not the official version yet. Bam! ReVolt. So I was just, like I said, I was just going through the Webernet and was just pretty much curious as to like how many 4.3 ROMs were there for the Epic 4G Touch Galaxy S2. And I saw this was available, and I remember Max Lee from High on Android, also known as Zito Max here on YouTube. He's got so many channels. He did a review and he posted it today about this ROM on the Galaxy S2, and I believe it was the S2 Plus, or was it S2 Plus, or was it? Well, I don't know, because he did 2. He did one for the Galaxy S2 on T-Mobile. And I believe that one was Carbon, so the other one was a Galaxy S2 on AT&T, or it was the S2 Plus. Either way, so this is 4.3 Jelly Bean. I don't know why it launched that. There is some bugs still, so it's not something, I mean, you can kind of use it as a daily driver, but it does have some issues that I've noticed. So anyways, yeah, let me show you guys around. This is the toggles as usual. You guys are familiar with that, and the notification area. We'll go into system settings here, and I'll show you guys for the customizations what it has. You have ReVolt control, which is pretty much like AOKP control, so you can pretty much like set up things in the general UI, power menu, active display, navigation bar, navigation ring, ribbons, and gestures anywhere. So that's actually pretty cool with the gestures anywhere. You can have it turn it on. See, location is on the left edge, and you can, I'll have to play around with this, but I'm pretty sure to play around with that. But anyways, let me turn that back off. I'll have to mess around with it, but I'm pretty sure it's like, certain gestures will open up or do certain things or certain commands. So yeah. Besides that, you have PI controls, toggles, battery. You can also mess with notification shortcuts and power widgets, animation controls, sound, soft key options, suspend actions, and wake lock blocker. So just a lot of customization here that you guys can do to the device. Pretty much make it your own. And yeah, thanks to all the guys for putting this all together. So see, I guess the people that were involved. Let's see. So also you have the ability to apply themes as usual. That's, CyanogenMod themes. You can switch it from regular to a all black, which basically saves more on the battery life if you have it in all black. The more colors and whites actually that are on the screen, and you will lose more battery. So then it also has a ReVolt Update Center, which basically launches Goo Manager in a sense. So it's like Goo Manager. You can look for compatible ROMs. So I'll search right now, and as you can see, a list of developers in Goo Manager or Goo IM that have basically ROMs. You see ReVolt here. This is the original ReVolt that was nightlies. And this one was way back, April 20th, 2013. So I never really seen an official ReVolt. But then now we're at 4.3.1, so that's pretty cool. Developer Dastin 1015. Dastin is actually responsible for the last ROM review I did, CyanogenMod Mod 10.2 Hood Pope Edition, which, you know, he names these ROMs after a song from an artist that I guess he's a big fan of. So, yeah, anyways, that's ReVolt Update Center basically launches GUIM or GUI Manager. You have hybrid settings, which is from Paranoid Android. You can pretty much set your phone into you know, stock UI, phablet, tablet. You know, there's 3 different sections of tablets. If you're wondering why there's 3, is because one is 128 DPI by, I think, it's like 1,000. Oh, I'm not too familiar with that. Probably, but it does have to do with pixels. I'm pretty sure that's what the P stands for. Sorry if I'm wrong. Don't flame me for it. There's things I know, and then there's things I'm still learning about. Then you get your basic stuff: sound, display, storage, battery, apps, users. So yes, you can set user profiles. You can set where you're using it, and then you can add a user. Restrict the profile to have certain things, or users have their own apps and content. So that's always awesome. Let's see. Yeah, then, you know, developer options is not open right here. So, oh no, there it is. Developer options, I believe, was already opened. If not, just hit the build number. So we'll go to about device ReVolt, and you can see it's for SPHD 710. And I wonder if I can make this brighter for you guys. Let's try that. Yeah, 4.3.1 SPHD 710. We'll tap that, and there we go. ReVolt ROM. So, jelly beans everywhere. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is actually using the Blasphemy kernel. So that's something pretty awesome right there. It's ReVolt version, let's see, is D710 Nightly, the October 20th build. So this was just a recent build of this version right here. And since it's nightly, there should be multiple updates. But for right now, some of the things that I've been experiencing with it that has had me a little bit frowning right now, but I'm gonna try to stay on this ROM for at least a few days and see if anything actually changes up. One thing is that it does freeze again, like Dirty Unicorns did. This one tends to freeze. I don't know why, but it's not a good thing. Another thing that is quite an issue for me is screenshots. So say I want to take a screenshot. Oh well, that's not doing it. And so I hit screenshot. Now it takes the picture. Here's the problem. Up here it says couldn't capture scene, and underneath it says couldn't save screenshot, storage may be in use. I don't know why, but yeah, that's a downer, because I do use screenshots to make any records or references of anything. So hopefully they get that fixed. So anyways, guys, yeah, ReVolt 4.3.1 for the Galaxy S2 Epic 4G Touch, also the Galaxy S2 on Virgin Mobile and Boost Mobile, and ReVolt. I will try and find a link and post it here in the description. I just gotta go look for it again, and you guys can check it out. As always, you're gonna flash the ROM, and then the GApps or GApps, but make sure it's the GApps for 4.3. So you're gonna want to get that. You can find that if you are rooted. You can use GUI Manager, and you see download GApps or GApps packages. You'd find a lot of them there. If you're coming from let's say ReVolt, the 4.2.2, just wipe Dalvik cache, and basically you do the 3 wipes and you install, and then you install the GApps or GApps for 4.3. Any other ROM, I would do this just for a good boot, but you do the 3 wipes, and then I would format system data cache, and then flash this ROM. But make sure you flash from a Clockwork mod recovery. Using Agate's recovery, if you guys are on like a GB28 or GB27 ROM, I would suggest going to CyanogenMod, flashing to CyanogenMod, so you get a Clockwork mod recovery, and then doing it. Doing it from Agate's recovery is not gonna work. I've tried and had some issues trying to flash that. Or you can use Team Win recovery project, I believe it's twerp recovery, and successfully flash this ROM on there. As always, make a backup. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time with a ROM review 2 for 1. How awesome is that, you guys? Hope you enjoyed the last video and this one. Don't forget to go ahead and leave any questions in the comment section, and I will answer them at the end of the week's weekly vlog video. And if it's an on-the-spur moment, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter at NRG_Rob, and I will respond to you as soon as I get your question. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.